Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Tutorial. Today in this video, let's learn about how to unblock someone on Tinder. So let's get started. For that, we need to get into Tinder app first. Here we'll be able to see various profiles. Simply click on this upward arrow over here. Scroll down and over here we can see block option. Simply tap on this and click on yes block and the person will be blocked. Now to unblock him, here we need to click on profile icon in the bottom right. Click on the settings icon over here on the top right. Scroll down. Now here we can see block contacts option. Simply tap on this and click on blocked and we can see unblock option. Simply tap on this one and the person is unblocked. So this is how we can unblock someone on Tinder. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.